Cersei is a juvenile green sea turtle, and she stranded on the east coast of Florida back in March of 2021. Cersei stranded because of a cold stunning event that happens every year on the east coast of Florida, usually about February till about April. And when Cersei stranded, she also had pneumonia and she got osteomyelitis as well. So the osteomyelitis is a bone infection and she got it in both of her shoulders, and so she was here for long-term care. Anytime that we get turtles into our rehabilitation center, we have an animal health team that helps us and supports us with these medical cases, and we treat each one of our patients as individuals. So all of our medical plans that we have for our patients are dedicated and tailored to what that specific turtle needs, and we take it day by day as things can change relatively quickly. Through our partnership with USF Radiology and also Tower Radiology with Cersei, in her particular case, we were able to bring her over there and do a CT scan on her because of that bone loss that she was having. So we're able to use all these diagnostic tools to make sure that we are working through her case and she's getting the treatment that she needs to push through it. I think the most pivotal day in Cersei's rehab course was the moment that we realized that the bone loss that she was having became stable. If it didn't become stable, we were going to be looking at potentially doing exploratory surgery in each one of her front flippers to see if there's anything in there that we need to debride and take out, and or if we really had to, potential amputation. So knowing that the bone loss was able to be medically managed and she was able to sustain that and that bone loss stopped is huge. I think with Cersei, her attitude of being able to adapt and adjust and never give up is huge. She had decreased range of motion because of her bone loss that she had. So she learned how to adapt in the meantime with her rear flippers, and she never gave up. She kept eating, she kept trying. For us, for Cersei, it was a big deal. We wanted to put her into the deep dive system to make sure that she can use her front flippers appropriately and not get tired and do everything that she needs to do in order for us to feel comfortable releasing her. So we did that. We put her in there for a week. We monitored her behavior and make sure that she was able to use her front flippers appropriately, making sure she wasn't getting tired, making sure she could get down and get up okay. All of that, as a normal turtle would behave, she did that. So she passed her dive trial. So that was huge. That is a big milestone for her. And that was one last piece that we needed to make sure that she could successfully be released. Sea turtles are keystone species, and they help play a critical role in maintaining species diversity as well as the health of our ocean. So it's really important that we continue to protect and restore the species, as well as educating people about sea turtles and their needs. Florida Aquarium's mission is to protect and restore our planet, and our sea turtle conservation program here allows us to do just that. We'll take in sea turtles that are sick and need rehabilitation or injured, and we will get them back to a healthy state, enough to where we can release them back into the ocean. For myself, the whole reason why I went to school to become a CVT was because of the rescue rehabilitation efforts, and that actually sparked my interest to learn the medical things on taking care of animals. And being able to use that skill set with a group of people to help conserve a species is huge. It's giving back for me. I feel like I'll be able to utilize my skills and to give back for the greater good and help protecting and restoring a species that needs it.